Why do 80% of urban areas in developing countries struggle with sewage pollution? The answer lies in waste treatment. Anaerobic waste treatment is a fascinating process where waste is broken down by microorganisms without oxygen. Think of it as nature's composting system, but for sewage. Historically, this tech was first seen with inventions like the septic tank in 1895. Today, it's vital for reducing pollution and generating biogas, which can be used as a renewable energy source. Here's the basic idea. Complex organic materials like proteins and fats are broken down into simpler substances, ultimately producing methane and carbon dioxide. This process happens in stages called hydrolysis, acidogenesis, acetogenesis, and methanogenesis. For efficient treatment, keep the system oxygen-free, maintain a pH between 6.8 and 7.2, and ensure enough nutrients are available. With anaerobic treatment, we can turn a waste problem into an energy solution.